Do you want to discover which languages will be the most popular in the coming year, and why? Here are some of the top trending and recommended languages to learn. 1. Spanish. Spanish is the second most widely spoken language after Mandarin, and it's no surprise that it's at the top of the list of languages to learn. Having your material available in Spanish this year will open opportunities in Spain and Latin American countries such as Mexico, Peru, Paraguay, Ecuador, and even the United States, where 37.6 million people speak it as their first language. Furthermore, with the world's second-largest economy and a Hispanic population expected to treble by 2050, Spanish is extremely vital. Difficulty to learn. According to language experts, Spanish is one of the easiest languages for English speakers to learn. 2. German. Germany has the highest GDP in Europe, and many people are migrating to the country in search of fresh opportunities. German is one of the European Union's 3 official languages, and it is projected to benefit from Brexit, together with French. German is the 4th most often used language online and the world's 3rd largest contributor to R&D. As a result, understanding German can be critical to success in many sectors around the world. According to The Economist, knowing able to speak German will provide the best benefit in terms of bonuses when compared to studying Spanish or French. Difficulty to learn. German is a unique language with tacked-on ends that give words distinct meanings. Having said that, it is also a simpler language to learn. 3. Arabic. Arabic is the official language of dozens of countries and is the world's 5th most spoken language. Arabic countries have over $600 billion in GDP, and the Middle Eastern economy has grown by more than 120% in the last 5 years. Furthermore, internet access and usage are increasing throughout the Middle East, with many users only understanding Arabic. Online content translation is likely to rise in the future years. Difficulty to master. Arabic is widely regarded as one of the most difficult languages to master for English speakers. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.